strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to Standout Medics. Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, we will be discussing about the expected All India quota cutoff of NEET 2021. After that, we will be talking about what are the possibilities of re-NEET, and finally, we will see that what are the documents, important document that has to be uploaded in the phase 2 registrations. Okay, so starting with the expected All India quota cutoff. See, many YouTubers, teachers, and even students are giving their own opinion. But I want you to understand that the expected cutoffs are based on predictions. Alright? You know this. You know this, that there cannot be any guessing in this. And the predictions are most accurate when we rely on some data. Okay? We have some data in our hands to see how well the students did and not, or not, right? So the prediction is based on the data, and when we put this data into some statistics, well, you do not have to do the statistics, we have done this for you. Now I have gathered some information from various sources, so let's have a look into the actual data I have gathered. Alright guys, so see here, we have the data on the screen, and we have gathered this data from a Telegram channel. In this, in the left side, you can see the NEET 2021 data, and on the right side, you can see the NEET 2020 data. Okay, and this is the real data given by authentic students who have given NEET this year. Okay, now the question is this data 100% accurate? The answer is no. There are always some students who are giving votes in this kind of polls dishonestly. Okay, but considering that almost 95% of the students have given this honestly, we can get some kind of predictions from this data using statistics. All right, now these two polls are on the same stage. How we can tell this? See, in the NEET 2021, here we have 5880 votes, and here we have 5886 votes. That is, we can understand from it that both of them are in the same stage, and we can compare it now. Okay, now when we compare this, we can see one most significant change in this part, that is the 500 and the 550 plus score. In this part, the students are most of the students are honest. Okay, we can see that in NEET 2021, the number of students which have scored 550 plus is 1% lesser than 2020, and in 2021 the number of students scoring less than 550 is 1% greater than the 2020. So what does that mean? It means obviously the performance of students in NEET 2021 is not good, right? It's poorer than NEET 2020. Alright, so we can have some idea that this year the cutoff has to be reduced. Okay, but this is just one perspective, one factor. Alright, we know that in 2020, the All India cutoff has gone as 611. Alright, and the rank was almost 15k. This year, definitely it will be not 611, it has to be lower than 611. So using these data and also asking numerous of students, we have gathered and done some statistics, and according to us, the most possible cutoff will be ranging from 594 to 596. Okay, now what we have considered in this, see, not only that poll that I have shown you, we have also considered that the number of students has increased. Not only the number of students that have filled the application form has increased, the number of students that are appearing have increased. Like for example, in the previous year, we know that almost 15.9 lakh students have not appeared, they filled the application form, and out of that, almost 13.5 lakh have appeared, that is present on the day of NEET. In NEET 2021, the student that have filled the application form is 16 lakh plus, according to information. Obviously, it is not an official information, but our prediction is the number of students that have appeared will be more, like 15 to 15.5 lakhs. Why so? Because previous year is a pandemic condition, and many states are going through lockdown period when the examination have been conducted. So many of the students have not appeared and not able to appear for this purpose. Okay, and what else we have considered? We have also considered that there are some new medical colleges opening all over the India. Okay, exactly how many colleges are opening and how many seats are increasing, this information is yet to come. There is no official information regarding this, but yes, there are some new colleges are definitely opening in all over the India. And obviously, the most important factor, the paper was tough. So considering all these things and merging it with the data and doing some statistics, we can come to the conclusion that this year the expected cutoff is 594 to 596 according to us. Practically speaking, the students scoring 600 plus are in a safe zone for all India quota counseling. Alright. Okay, now coming to the second topic. Is there any chances of conducting the NEET examination again by NTA? The answer is actually no. See, everyone has told the paper is leaked and paper leak cases and all, but I will tell that the paper is not actually leaked. Alright? Because getting papers after the examination have started is not called leaked, right? Because after 2 p.m., each and every candidate is inside the examination hall. So we cannot tell that this is a leak case. Alright, and NTA officials have also given statement like this, that this is not a leak case. So there will be no all India reconduct of examination. Alright, and this is not so easy to reconduct all the examination over again. So what are the chances are there that the states which have faced this kind of things, like impersonification and all this, like Rajasthan and UP, we have seen there the NEET can be conducted, but there also have a very least chances. Okay, so don't keep hope that there will be again NEET and you will give exam again. This is not gonna happen. Clear cut. Now the third thing is the phase 2 registration. As NT had told before the examination that the registration has to be done in two phases. In the phase 1, some simple and basic things you have filled in during the form fill up and fee payment. After the examinations, NT have told before getting the result, we will give the option for phase 2 registrations, where you have to fill some other important informations in the website. Okay, so there are some few important things that has to be cleared here, that in the application page you have to fill the personal details, the educational details. You have filled the class 12 details there, but here you have to fill the class 10th and 11th details as well, and then some additional details and parents income details you have to fill. But the most important thing is the documents that has to be uploaded. Many students are getting confused that about the documents. See, the character certificates are not for general students, okay, and the PWD certificate, all of us know, the class 10 certificate. For CBSE, it was the grade sheet come certificate. It was one thing, all of the CBSE students know about this, and the citizenship certificate. See, this citizenship certificate, many students have asked me that what we can upload in the citizenship certificate. It is not for any Indian students. It is only for NRIs. Okay, so in case any NRI is seeing this video, this citizenship certificate has to be authorized from the government and attested from there, or else there is no need for any Indian students to upload this thing. Okay, this will be optional. Okay. All right, so that's it for today's video. If there is any doubt or query, please comment down below. You can also text me personally in my Telegram. I have given the link in the description box. Also, please subscribe this channel and support us. Thank you very much.